Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to share with you one of the things that always bugged me the most about my refrigerator, the 12 volt in my minivan camper, is the way it get power is often get loose. Let me show you why. All right. So there are, by the way, this is not sponsored by anybody. I'm doing it out of my own pocket. I have an Astro AI refrigerator that I own for about almost 3 years now. It's still running like a champ. And there's two ways that I can power this fridge. Either a 12 volt plug like this, which is not a very favorable option. I will show you why. And then there are 120 volt, which you can plug it into this inverter over here. But whenever you use this inverter, because this is a better way of hooking up power, because it's very permanent, it won't move on you. With this, when you plug it in, see how loose it is? There's a chance it might come loose, and then your fridge will not run, and then your food can get spoiled. And whenever you use the 120 volt option, you lose about 10% from the inverter. And you know, every watt count in the minivan camper. So you want to conserve your energy as much as possible. So one other option is to hardwire instead of 12 volt through the 12 volt accessory receptacle. Why not wire it directly into the junction box here? So I'm going to show you the tool you're going to need to convert this into kind of like permanent but not permanent option. All right. So here is the tool that I'm going to use. You're going to gotta have some soldering skill for this. So you have a soldering iron, some solder, wire stripper, lock and ply. I will show you why I use this. If you have a vise, then you don't need this, but I would rather use a regular tool. You can get 3 of these. 2 of them is male and 1 is female. I think this is female. If it's receiving, yeah, this is female. 2 female and 1 male, and 3 sleeve. This is the packet that come in 12 pair. I'm gonna put that in the description link. If you decide to do this, this is what you're gonna need to buy. XT60 plug 12 as pair. So you have 12 of female and 12 male. All right. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. By no means it's the correct way, but that's how I do it. All right. So what I'm about to do is kind of put some solder onto the wire. So the tool you're going to need is a wire stripper. You're going to cut about 1/2 inch of the wire cover off using this wire stripper. Yeah, 1/2 inch off at the end. And kind of tear it off about 1 inch apart. So this is the connector that I'm going to solder it to the wire. So don't forget to put the black sleeve in before you soldering the connector in, because this will cover the exposed wire part once you finish soldering the wire to the connector. Gotta make sure you do that. See right here, I'm using the locking plier to hold the connector and the wire straight up so I can work on soldering the wire to the end of this. Yeah, I see how I have a little bit difficulty with this. It'd be nice if you have a third hand device to hold this up while you do the soldering, but I don't have it, so this is how I do it. The goal is to fill up as much soldering as you can into that empty space between the connector and the wire, so that way it will stay put. It will never come loose on you. So once you finish soldering, you slide a black sleeve over and you're done. And you repeat do for the other two wire. Alright, right now I'm plugging my fridge in using the 12-volt accessory. So, oh, see, it's already gone. This is why I do not like these type of plug. They tend to do that. They don't stick very well. Yeah, I do not like this at all. Alright, so since I did the mod, I'm going to show you what it looked like. So I still be able to use this cable as it comes from the factory. However, I cut it right here. See? That's where the connecting, very solid connecting. It's not going to go anywhere, but you still can disconnect it. Since I already put the I already wired this in there into my junction box. So I always have 12 volt, straight 12 volt from here to there. See that? It's already stopped running. As soon as you touch the cable, it stopped running. Alright, so I'm gonna disconnect this. It'll be hard to do with one hand, but I'm gonna try. See, now it came out, right? This end, I can just keep it somewhere safe. And this, we plug into that end over there and then get the power, all right? All right, so now I have constant power go through that cable to here. There's no way this thing will ever come loose. You can hear it's still running. All I have to do is kind of secure that cable just like this way with zip tie and a screw. 2 zip tie and 1 screw, and then kind of tidy up the cable over here. And it will stay up here like this. So whenever I need to hook it up, then I just plug it and unplug it from there, from this right here, instead of using the 12 volt, useless 12 volt accessory. Yeah, these are not very reliable stuff. that's how I convert into a kind of semi-hot wire my fridge into my house battery. That way, you know, I have a stable and very stable power supply to the fridge. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Click like if you like this video. I do a lot of these hacks and tricks on the budget all the time. So click on that bell. All right, I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.